की खूब और का बातें से टीवी। ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Unong iktin jaga Sorkar MDA uba polling do ubolong ru menteri ke Sorkar jela ulong be ke Jingpynbeit ye ke jaka badan ke jinga ke japot bat ke jela Assam on Pyndep no Shwa ban kut ke Samoi trekam jaga Sorkar MDA haga jinga keram ikilar pathai kubor haga shitrik unai tung arajar arpusan uba pol ulong ba ke Sorkar la pentilon shakmat ye ke jinga keram Pyndep pot haga ba on saya soy ke sekolah ke sekolah Jingpynbeit Shwa jaga ke santrik unai lar arajar arpusan haga ba sant ligi shnong bathamai kin hapno haga jela Meghalaya.
Initially, a group of the Meghalaya police of 10 members were immediately rushed to the site at Lapanga. Today, we have 30 police personnel, 15 from the 1st MLP Battalion, 15 from the 3rd MLP Battalion, led by the SP of West Jandia Hills, who are on the ground in the makeshift camp that we have set up at Lapanga. So that sense of insecurity has already, to a large extent, been controlled, and we are managing things well, and hopefully this problem will be resolved once we have the discussions at the regional committee level.
But what is the situation on the ground?
On the ground, as of now, of course, that sense of fear will be there. But the fact that police presence has been geared up from 10 in the first 2-3 days to 30 today, and the SP is personally overseeing the operations. So that itself is a pointer to how serious the government is in ensuring the safety of both Meghalaya and Assam have temporary camps at the site. Once the boundary issue of that particular sector is resolved at the regional committee level, then we can move to what you just mentioned, to minimize conflict on ground zero. And to a very large extent, we have been able to ensure the prevalence of peace. As I mentioned to you, by August 15, we will formally sign an MOU, an additional MOU, whereby 5 more villages will be transferred to Meghalaya as part of the deliberations of the regional committee, followed by talk at the CM's level. So things are moving on the right track, and we would like to ensure that before the end of the tenure of the current dispensation, we should be able to finally resolve the boundary dispute with Assam.
What are the names of these 5 villages?
I don't remember immediately because most of them are Garo populated areas.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.